Hey guys, back in action here. It's Saturday and I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do today. I was thinking about riding the 200X some more, I think the video from yesterday. I got that Chevy over there that's got no oil pressure, oil pan's out of it. That's a problem for later. I have a whole bunch of field to go destroy with anything I want. Got the Audi, but that's the daily and I'm not driving that. I got the crew cab. I'm contemplating getting this thing out, maybe doing some burnouts, rolling some coal. Who knows? I got this Jetta back here that I keep thinking I should abuse, but I want to flip it. So if anyone wants to buy a 2002 Jetta in Minnesota, it's a 5-speed, 1.8 T. That's for sale. Probably won't abuse it if someone wants to buy it, but if no one buys it, I am destroying it. Then I have this Jeep up here. I bought the Jeep to use as an autocross vehicle. Autocross in the mentality of it's like an oval track with a jump or two, not like what you would get a 370Z for. Not that kind of autocross, off-road autocross. Looks like I got some flat tires. I'll have to get those filled up. Oh no, the mirror broke. First we'll have to see if it starts up. Not even sure if it will. And then I was thinking about just ripping that through the field for a while. I might go meet the neighbors too. I gotta meet my neighbors over there. Got new ones. Alright, so now I'm going to fix the good 110. This thing starts up great, runs great. Just the shifter bolt is stripped out. Someone showed up.
Go hit it hard.
The 110 does not like him riding it. He needs a 200. The big boy. He stole my 200X. He stole my 200X. Ow!
This thing is so slow.
Whatever.
This thing would get waxed by my 200.
No way.
It would.
No. You a type clown.
This thing only pumps air like the last quarter stroke.
Have you ever used an air pump before?
No, I'm not a peasant. I have an air compressor.
So we were out ripping. Now we're just gonna go for a ride in the dually. Like I said at the beginning, I want to drive this thing. So let's go. Got it started up. It's warming up. Should we just lock her up in second right away just to warm up the track?
Yeah, do it. Careful, we might blow a triple disc. Let her cook! Oh, he's got something in this front seat. For a minute. Fuck them if they can't take a joke.
Let's go eat some pizza. You'd take this or do something with it.